Calculators are extremely fast, much faster than humans are. So why would I claim that you are faster than one? I'll get back to that, but you are, even if math is not one of your strengths. Now, let's look at our first example problem. Here we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We all know this can be simplified to 2 times 4, since we have 2 added to itself 4 times. What if we had 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? Once again, we can simplify this by using another operation. This equals 2 to the power of 4. We simplify the process by using a higher operation. Addition becomes multiplication, and multiplication becomes exponentiation. But what comes next? What if we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2? The next step here is something called tetration. With tetration, exponents can be simplified like this. Now the 4 goes to the left instead of to the right. It doesn't look like much, but this shift to the left changes everything. But what does 2 tetrated to 4 even equal? To figure this out, we have to go back to the previous form with exponents. Then we start at the top with 2 to the power of 2. This is 4, so we replace that with 4. Now we do 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Now we just have 2 to the power of 16, which is 65536. That's a big jump. If we'd had 2 tetrated to 3, the answer would have only been 16. Instead, it's 65536. But what if we had 2 tetrated to 5? That would give us one more 2, making our answer be 2 to the power of 65536. I don't even want to think about how big that number would be. If you put that into your calculator, it would need to go to therapy for all the emotional damage you did to it. This number is so large, you couldn't write it all down even if you spent a whole year writing it. Calculators don't even have a tetration button, which means you can now do tetration faster than a calculator. It's not that they couldn't do it at all, but the numbers get so big, so fast, there just isn't any point to having it. Even something as small as 3 tetrated to 4 will give an overflow error. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. 3 to the power of 27 is 7.6 trillion. 3 to the power of that will send your calculator back to therapy. So don't do that. Don't send your calculator to therapy. Instead, just keep watching my videos.